Welcome back. First week of March was the hottest week in the last 42 years of Goa's weather history. But the good news is that it will be a pleasant weekend and few parts of Goa might even receive light showers by Saturday. State Met Department's record says it all. Mukesh Kumar reports.
The beginning of summer in the state is the hottest it's been in history. In the last 42 years, for the first time, the highest temperature was above 37 degrees Celsius throughout the 7-day week. State Met Department's record says, from 1st of March, the maximum temperature was ranging from 37 degrees to 38 degrees Celsius, and on Wednesday, mercury touched 38.7 degree mark.
Last 42 years में ये first time हुआ है कि 7 days continuous, 8 days continuous 37 plus से रहा temperature.
But from Friday morning, wind direction has changed and has gathered some clouds, resulting in lowering the temperature on Friday to almost 35 degrees Celsius. But the phenomenon has simultaneously caused the weather to be humid.
लेकिन अभी डे टेम्परेचर थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा क्योंकि जो विंड है अभी ईस्टर्ली से थोड़ा साउथ ईस्टर्ली समटाइम्स वेस्टर्ली चेंज हो रही है, जिससे कि जो ह्यूमिडिटी लेवल है वो थोड़ा बढ़ने लगेगा. तो आज ह्यूमिडिटी लेवल बढ़ा है, इसकी वजह से डे टेम्परेचर डाउन हुआ है लेकिन ह्यूमिडिटी बढ़ रही है, जिससे थोड़ा सा अनइजीनेस हमको रहेगा और नाइट में भी थोड़ा टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा.
However, there is good news predicted for this weekend. Some parts of Goa may experience a slight drizzle on Saturday. With video journalist Sushant Pearl, reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Congress has demanded that the stamp duty collected by state through lease renewals should be distributed among the mining dependents. Party in opposition feels that the Parrikar-led government should primarily forward at least some financial assistance to the mining dependents and then seek assistance from the centre.
96 मायनिंग लिजा कॅन्सल कोणी केला तेणी केला पण तेणी पयली किने रुपया तरी दिवनी मरे 2 रुपया सेंट्रलाच्यान मागपाक बरे पडटले न्हू. आता 212 कोटी स्टॅम्प ड्युटी नेल्या मरे ते कोणाक दवरल्यात ते वाटूंक जाय मरे फाल्याच्या ते वाटूंक जाय तेणी पयली बेस्टच सेंट्रल दितले पैसे तर कितें स्टॅम्प ड्युटी अरे लोकांक वाटूकूच जाय ते स्टॅम्प ड्युटीचे पैसे घेतले ते कितें ते दवरपाक न्हू थंयसर ते आनीक कसल्या कामाक वापरपाक. ईडीसी इकॉनॉमिक डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन पळय जे आसा तितून त्याचे पोजिशन बऱ्या परिस्थितीन आहेत ते आसा, मोठ्या प्रमाणात फंड अवेलेबल आसा. आमच्या काँग्रेसच्या कारकिर्दीन जो आग्नेल फेर्नांडीस एमएलए आसलो पळय तेणी थंयसर बऱ्या प्रमाणात काम करून बऱ्या पैकी आयज सुस्थितीन अशें ते ईडीसी महामंडळ हाडून थंयसर दवरलेले आसा पळय. त्या महामंडळा मार्फत जी पळय ह्या ट्रकवाल्यांची बार्जवाल्यांची पळय लोनां पळय आसा तितलीय फारीक करची मनोहर पर्रीकारान कापासर आसा जाल्यार 2012 आणि 13 पर्यंत 20% वुमन्स कॅन्डिडेट हॅव बीन ग्रांटेड द स्कॉलरशिप म्हणून हांगासर एक रिप्लाय दिल्लो आसा. हो खंय तरी सरळ आनी पात्र आसल्या खूब जाणां चली भुरग्यो त्या हेका लिस्टान पात्र आसल्यो म्हणून खंय तरी त्यांच्या हक्काचेर गदा हाडपाचो प्रयत्न ह्या सरकारान केल्ले आसा. जी सिलेक्शन पॅनल पळय केला सिलेक्शन पॅनल तेचेरूय परत आयडीसीचो तो शेखर सरदेसाय पळय आसा तो ह्या सिलेक्शन पॅनलाचेर घातला. म्हणून हांगा प्रश्न पडटा स्क्रिनींग कमिटीन आयडीसीन शेखर सरदेसाय डायरेक्टरूय तोच आनी ह्या सिलेक्शन कमिटीचेर एज्युकेशनान शेखर सरदेसाय म्हणजे सरकाराक आनी मनोहर पर्रीकाराक कोण मनीसूच ना काय म्हणून हांगासर एक प्रश्न उपस्थितीत जाता.
An illegal house in Tuve Industrial Estate was demolished on Friday following High Court orders. The land belongs to Goa Antibiotics. Dimos Fernandez had built the house illegally in the industrial plot. The case was pending before the High Court since 2004.
An illegal house built by Dimos Fernandez was demolished on Thursday at the Tuve Industrial Estate. The action was taken following High Court's order. The land belongs to Goa Antibiotics. They had filed a case against Dimos before the High Court. Dimos feels it's an injustice with him.
ती मोडूंक तयार नाही, आमची मोडूंक भायर सरल्यान एक्चुअली जागा फॅक्टरीची आमी अननोईंग आमकां कोणें त्रासान घातलो.
We spoke with the general manager of Goa Antibiotics, Dayanand Kanekar.
Now this demolition is as per the order of the court because these constructions have been carried out illegally in the government land. In spite of various notices, nobody is coming forward, neither any action has been taken against these houses. So as per the order of the court, we are demolishing the house. We have given him enough opportunity to demolish the house. From last 2 years we have been after him, but he has not been executing the order of the court. Finally we have decided to demolish it through the demolition squad of the government floor. Hence the process.
Reporter Vinod Mehtar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.